How to remove payment card on Kohl's app.
The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome for now. Once you're in here, in the source bar, you have to search for Kohl's login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site. Well, it will land you on the official page of Kohl's. In order to add credit or debit card, first of all you have to log into your specific account. So in here, first of all enter your email address and then click on continue. After that, enter the password of your account and then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be logged into your account. After that, head over to your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then move into settings. Inside settings, head over to payment method.
In the section of payment method, all the list of the card that you have added on Kohl's will be visible to you. Simply click on the card that you want to remove. After that, the information of your card will be visible. At the bottom, you will get to see the option of delete. Click on it. For the confirmation, once again click on delete and your payment card will be deleted successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Kohl's app.
Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.